Oh my gosh, the best thing ever just came in the mail today. Seriously, the best baby gift I could have asked for. Let's get this ugly box out of here. Oh my gosh, even the box is beautiful. Look at that. I'm so excited, you guys. My brother-in-law is the best. All right, let's see it. Oh my God, this is like a freaking dream. You don't even know. Look how cute this is. I love it. Okay, I want to be like super careful, but this color and this packaging is just freaking amazing. I'm gonna keep this box just because it's so cute. Oh my gosh, look at the little feet. How cute is this? Okay, so I believe this piece is the wall mount. Sorry, this is super hard doing this with one hand. Okay, so all of a sudden there's like 1,800 pieces. So I'm going to have to figure out how I want this to go. But yeah, oh my God, it's so cute. I love that the little wall mount looks like a tree branch. I can't wait to set it up. I'll show you. Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt setting up this baby monitor. Wish me luck. Gave me an alcohol pad to use to clean the wall first before I stuck the 3M thing on it. I don't know what that says about the paint on my wall. And now it's like lighter. Uh-oh, but it's there. Now I just have to make sure I didn't put it up too high. But I can always angle it down, so. Woohoo! So I think like when Marcy's playing, or if I have Robin playing on the floor in here, I'll keep it up on the wall mount because that you can see the whole room, and I'll show you in a second a screen recording from my phone of what the angle, the final angle is. I don't know about that 3M sticker that comes with it. I think I'm gonna have to get a new one, but we'll see. But when he's sleeping, just so I have a closer view of him, I'm gonna use the mount they gave me to wrap around here. But otherwise, I love it, and it's cute, and the picture quality is awesome, and I'm so excited. Yay! So you can literally see the entire room. Kita's over on the changing table, which is against the far wall. The only thing you can't see is the shelves right here that are directly below the camera. But other than that, you can see the entire room. So while I'm editing this, I realize you can't see the whole top like screen grab of where the video is on like what I recorded from my phone. So I'll just insert a screenshot at the end of the room view so you can see that it actually covers the whole room. That was annoying. Sorry.